Hello again, and welcome to one of these. Today we've got the Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. We're going to unbox it. That means taking it out of its box and telling you a little bit about what we think. Watch. Actually, it's a very nice watch. Titanium body and strap. You also get a puck. Fast charging puck. This looks like extra links for the strap. Very nice. And you wouldn't have guessed it, a quick start guide. This is the Watch GT5 Pro. This one is the 46mm, it's slightly bigger. But there is also the GT5 Non-Pro. This one's got a 1.43-inch AMOLED screen. Seems like it's the same screen as previous gen, in fact. We actually have a GT4. Similar design. Huawei likes to focus on the style as much as it does hardware and software. Easy to set up as well, actually. You'll need to download the app. If you've got an iPhone, then that app should be available on the App Store. Or you can scan the QR code on the back of the box on your Android. We've already got the app installed, so you go add device, connect, OK, pair, confirm, and that's it. Connected. There are plenty of other watch faces that you can download for free, and there are also plenty you can pay for if you want to. It's your money, we don't make the rules. I must say, I do like the titanium strap. You can remove individual links to find your perfect fit. There are other links in the box if you don't get enough installed initially. If you are more sportily inclined, then you might not want the titanium strap, in which case the strap for the GT5 Pro Black version should also fit. And if you're lucky and you have upgraded from the GT4, then those straps should fit too. But I do like this new easy release clasp mechanism that Huawei is using for its new straps. Makes it feel easy. Easy to take off, that is. Putting it back is actually also easy. There was a skill issue. As for the smart part of this smartwatch, Huawei says it has improved its true sense algorithm that's behind the sensor array. In terms of features, you get all of the features that you'd expect to see on a smartwatch. All-day heart rate tracking, blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking, and new to the GT5 Pro, an emotional well-being assistant. If you do a sport, this watch will track it. There are over 100 fitness tracking modes: outdoor run, track run, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk. We even found an esports mode. If you do like to go outside, hiking, etc., the GT5 Pro also boasts improved GPS tracking using Huawei's own Sunflower GPS system, and Huawei says it's 40% more accurate than the GT4. So, 40% less chance of you getting lost. Don't get lost, because you can also download offline maps, and there's a route draw function, so you can trace your steps back. No excuse to get lost. Exclusive to the Watch GT5 Pro is a dedicated golf mode. You can download maps of golf courses from across the world, which will give you stats on that particular golf course, and it'll track your performance to help you improve. Isn't that something? We all know you need it. You know what I'm talking to. And finally, battery life. One of the more important features that people want in a smartwatch. The GT5 Pro can do up to 5 days with the always-on display enabled, up to 9 days with a typical usage scenario, or up to 14 days if you really try and get the most out of it. And for charging, Huawei says 0 to 100 in 60 minutes for the Pro version, with that fast charging puck that's included. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Huawei for sending us a GT5 Pro. And thanks for clicking on our other videos that you can watch as well.